Look, there's Yusuke. This is the guy that I made a... Wait, it's rock, paper, scissors. Oh, it's time. There's a bunch of likes for your sign. And then if we put a rock, paper, scissors next to it, we can play... You tied at rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Well, I guess that's all there is to it. We tied. They've got 21 legends. That was a push. I don't know, can you just play each time you come through? Maybe after resets? That's the first time we've been able to do that the whole game. I don't think we have much for you, but we have something for you. The beach paintings and the vitals analyzer. I'm back.
To visit us again?
Of course.
Welcome.
Welcome. Give me my sledging.
Ay, Dios mío. How did you carry all of that?
Chalk another
this
one.
Stuff. Never thought it would get here. But then you show up with a nice surprise.
That's only going to be a little bit, but it's something. These ones are going to take the longest, probably.
Take care of yourself, okay? Nos vemos.
Do you have...
Order completed. Well done.
Chat, I just remembered that there's a whole thing that we have to do that I forgot about. They added an A-Pass enhancement that gives you... Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Fast order prep. Make the process of reissuing standard orders more efficient. They spend less time on standby once completed. You can do, basically, you can do more standard orders. It's for the standard order grind. Lock that in. They refresh their orders faster. I guess I could check for lost cargo. Oh yeah. Pretty much all of these. If we have room for them. I'm not gonna go back up to the artists yet. Oh, that's almost full. So these are players who have dropped cargo that was meant for these places, and we just load it up in our truck and take them all at once. Gets you likes, helps you progress the on top of standard orders. Chat, what are you doing? Go eat. You know, he's right. Other me is right. Hungry me. Hungry me is correct. Gotta go to the Boca. And then from the Boca to C1.
Delivery.
All right, now I have a route. And now I have a save. And now we're gonna get our first 5-star tomorrow because we haven't got it yet. GG. Think about all the likes you could get. I'll get plenty when I'm sleeping, maybe. From various Strand contracts. Hopefully. 66 likes on a ladder? Lance, don't dance. Okay. Don't forget. Eat. Going on tour. In Australia. Beautiful Australia. Trying to take some screenshots every so often of our journey. Alright, gamers. I'm out. Game is saved. And that puts us at more than 23 hours. I guess, are we still on episode 3? We're still on episode 3, dude? There's so much game here. It's outrageous how much game is here. We're not even close to where the stream restriction was, which is no longer in effect because it's no longer the early access period. So everybody is playing, whether you're a digital deluxe or regular, as long as you have a PS5. The PC players are not playing, sadly. All right, I'm gonna send you guys off into the void because it's late, I'm tired, and I will see you again tomorrow. So come back in like 12 hours. I'm gonna start uploading the next part of the VODs to YouTube. Exclamation VOD in the chat. That'll work whether the stream is live or not. On Twitch or in the Discord in the info channel. That's how you can find those VODs if you want to watch the unmuted VODs. Unless YouTube does something crazy. So I'm gonna get to work uploading those. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for chilling. 12 hours and change today. Day 3. Awesome game. Loving it. Ton of fun. And can't wait to do more. So I'll see you again. Come back. 12 hours. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for sticking around till the end or waking up with the stream. I hope you have a lovely Friday. And I'll see you for most of it. Oh, Alice is going to forget what I look like. All right. Good night for now. And I will see you soon. Now get out of here.